When you're out there, or even out here, or here, safety is everything. The Pepper Spray new user kit from SABRE, the #1 trusted personal safety brand, will help give you the confidence to enjoy every moment with peace of mind. Including practice spray, featuring the exact same deployment style and firing mechanism as its counterpart. This kit helps you gain familiarity with SABRE's pepper spray, building confidence in using the product. And you can feel secure with SABRE's maximum strength pepper formula, featuring a 10-foot range with up to 25 bursts for protection against multiple threats at a safe distance, a UV marking dye to help police identify suspects, and a quick-release keyring providing easy access when you need it most. And with an industry-exclusive in-house testing lab, SABRE guarantees its maximum strength formula on every product. So no matter where you go, what you do, or where life takes you, the Pepper Spray new user kit from SABRE helps give you the confidence to live life your way. SABRE, make it safe.